Chapter 5, key for the quiz. Okay. Excuse me. Number 1, melanoma can be detected early and treated with the application of a special rule. Which of the following is not a test used to determine if a mole is cancerous? So you should be thinking about the A, B, C, D, E's, right? And C would be color. So A, color, yes. B's border. The A in the A, B, C, D is asymmetry. Freckles have nothing to do with this. And then the D is diameter. What is E? Does anybody remember? E is evolving. So you should be thinking about if something's changing at all, then we need to be mindful of that. So D is the answer. Number 2, which of the following statements concerning the epidermis is true? So A, the dermis is superficial to the epidermis. No, that's not true, of course. The epidermis contains numerous blood vessels. Nope. Remember, the epidermis is avascular, right? And A means without blood vessels, right? So, or without. So here it's without blood vessels. C, the most numerous cells in the epidermis are the melanocytes. Also not true. The most numerous are the keratinocytes. Okay. D, the epidermis is nourished by blood vessels located in the dermis. That's true right there. And then E, the epidermis is very permeable to water-soluble molecules. No way, right? Keratin is really important for waterproofiness. So no, that's not correct either. So D is the right answer here. Okay, so number 3, which cells of the epidermis are part of the immune system? The only answer that could be here is C, the Langerhans cells, okay? Those are cells that are immune system cells that eat invaders. They're phagocytes. So they do phagocytosis of bacteria and things that enter into the body. All right, 4, the layer of the epidermis that undergoes mitosis in cytokinesis and forms new epidermal cells would be the basal layer, right? These are the stem cells. So A is the correct answer here. For number 5, which layer of the epidermis is found in only a few areas of the body known as thick skin? That would be D, right? This is the only one that's in thick skin. The other 4 are all in thin skin. And while we're here, what's the difference between thick and thin skin? Think about that, right? We've talked about that in class. Thick skin, no hair follicles. All 5 layers of the epidermis. Thin skin, hair, right? Only 4 layers. So we take out this one, the lucidum. What's more common? For sure, it'd be the thin skin, right? Thin skin is found all over the body. Okay. This is only going to be found, oops, sorry about that. Excuse me. This is going to be found, thick skin is only going to be found like on the palms of your hands, the soles of your feet, the bottom of your feet. Okay, so let's look at number 6. Which of the following represents the correct order of the layers of the epidermis from deepest to the most superficial? So deepest, you should automatically see this guy, right? The basal layer. So the rest could all be cut out right there. Okay, so we're looking at A or B here. And the answer is B. One of those things you just got to memorize here. All right, we'll flip over. Let's look at the back. Bluish tinge of skin due to reduction of oxygen is going to be cyanosis, right? Cyan is a Crayola crayon color, which is like a turquoise or something. Okay. Hemolysis is the breaking apart of red blood cells. This, I don't even know what that is. I made that up. Keratinosis is orangey, right? And albinism is when individuals have a mutation in the melanin production gene. Okay? Melanin production can be influenced by genetics, hormones. Yep. There's a whole bunch of those in this, right? So pregnancy and hormones are linked. Okay? So E is the correct answer here. Okay. Eccrine sweat glands. Excuse me. These cool us down. They aid in cooling the body. All right. Which type of burn appears white or black with no immediate pain? Well, that would be third-degree burns, right? If it's not painful, we said third-degree burns aren't painful because you burn the pain receptors as well, right? Right. And a lot of you guys got the extra credit. You did a great job. It said, a parent of a baby visits the pediatrician because the baby's skin is turning orange. Fortunately, the baby's lab tests indicate no abnormality. What could be causing the orange coloration? Well, most of you guys said this absolutely correctly. They're eating too much carotene. They're eating orange vegetables, and that carotene is accumulating in their epidermis.